Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickNode RPC for reliable node access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the QuickNode website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the QuickNode website and log into your account using your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the option to create a new endpoint or project. Select the blockchain network you want to connect to, such as Ethereum or Polygon. Choose the type of endpoint, typically either a standard or premium plan based on your needs. Fill in the project name and any additional details required. Once completed, click Create Endpoint to finalize the setup. After a moment, your new endpoint will appear on the dashboard. Locate the URL for your RPC access, which will be displayed prominently. Copy this RPC URL to your clipboard for later use. Open your development environment where you'll be integrating the RPC. In your code, locate the section where you define the blockchain provider. Paste the copied RPC URL into the relevant part of your configuration. Make sure to save your changes in the code. To test the connection, run your application or script. Check the console for successful connection messages or responses. If there are any errors, double-check the RPC URL and ensure everything is entered correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully configured QuickNode RPC for reliable node access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.